again.
Him again.
Jesus Christ.
The man there with the big tundra on the city. Him does stop anyway. In a big like road right in front of you and just reverse. You have to swing wide and say a prayer. Oi. Taking you to a part of Jamaica you've never been before, and more than likely you won't ever go. Yeah, I did just start the vlog just now and I see a car pull up. Like a tint up car, regular car, with a man in it. With him face cover up and them something there. But it look like sir. Thank you here. It look like a police. So them out here in the unmarked cars like I said before, but it could kinda spook me. So I stopped talk. Because I was trying to figure out. But they come out in a full uniform, which don't mean nothing.
At all.
Don't mean nothing.
Jamaica.
Yeah, because man we put on police uniform and mask up your face and still can rob you. And you feel like you feel good till you dry gun on you.
Sit down, Kai.
So we don't know, you know. Moving kinda cautious. Anyway, where we are going now? West?
Yes.
Alright, how you walk on honestly? Alright then. She not no limit enough. That is alright. Here we go. I think this thing that I could go on. Now make your parrot ball up the baby, let me know.
Have it all the way away from
Go ahead, Milani.
I wonder why you stop and then you see the person.
Yeah, the man pull up, his face fully covered. He have on one of them balaclava there. Watch out, man, and scan across the street, my friend. And he not say nothing either, he just step past. As long as you're an officer. Them a whole heap of tourists down here. This is mostly tourist area, really. You'll find a lot of locals here, but still they're out here.
Walking around, getting their cars in the morning.
Yeah. While you're having Taco Bell hurt my belly for breakfast, they're having peanut porridge and oats porridge and these things freshly made. Don't cost a thing much. I get 2 cups just now for $400. That means
$4. Not even $4.
less.
$2.50.
$2.50 about that. Early morning moves. This morning now we're heading to Westmoreland. Westmoreland we are going to. I'm still confused about for them thing. I just saw said down West and done. How much man out there, sir? This is where all the fun was. This is where then he start pop pills and snort lines and never left. Enough still there, enough Jamaican that happen to you know, they have some white friends that come down from foreign all the time, we meet them here. And they have their fun and enjoyment, and when you get hooked on your stuff and your friend them gone back, they are foreigners what they can get.
Whatever they want.
Either more drugs or rehab. You stuck right, that's why I look for your next friend. Don't do it! Don't be that guy. Sit off the oats porridge. I don't know place for your drive and filming on my friend. I just realized something. I want to hold over this one. But yeah, cornmeal porridge, I can't fight with it. I used to sprinkle the sugar on the top. Little brown sugar. And then it is so before the sugar melt down in it.
That's so cold.
You so cold, Kai? I want to make that sound then. Okay. Think there's something wrong with the car. Best breakfast I want to get some kalaloo with the fried dumpling and something. That's something. Egg and fried dumpling. Yes, man. Like that, me say, egg and fried dumpling and kalaloo. It's a low kalaloo.
Kalaloo mix up with saltfish. Oh my god.
No, that are fried dumplings.
Fried dumpling?
Yes, mix the kalaloo with the saltfish. And some fried dumpling. Trouble. Trouble. You know, on one hand, I want to say pave off the road them, but
no man, they need to pave off B11 and B5. There's no way.
them two pieces of road there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, pave off those two.
I feel away for people them who have to traverse them two there.
On
Every
a
day.
daily basis.
Taxi man probably spend out the whole line earnings and fix back in vehicle. That road there is some pothole. My gracious
Them big
father.
as the car.
Yo,
They are as big as the car, literally.
them pothole there, no normal, my friend. I take my time and traverse. You know, a 10-minute. Make this one of the videos I can actually put up without editing. That's raw footage. Some of these videos you won't know where we're at because I'm not gonna say where we're at because me don't know over there. But it's like leaving Montego Bay going to other places. I still mobile still though. Just not hip strip and the tourist area of Mobile.
I don't know if they can consider this Hopewell or anchovy.
Ambulance, I go for somebody.
I haven't lived in Jamaica in so long.
Hopewell or anchovy.
I think it's anchovy.
One of them. Sunday morning. Alright, today in Jamaica is considered to be Boxing Day. Boxing Day is the day after Christmas Day.
Boxing Day, normally cleaning day.
Cleaning Day.
Yeah.
Clean up the place.
Yeah.
Alright. You were there yesterday on this Christmas Day?
Yes, we are.
What time flies, sir? So, wifey said this is either anchovy or Hopewell. We don't know is which one.
I think it's anchovy.
Anchovy. You rode bad round here, me I tell you, you rode bad. You just a jaggy vehicle and a fling it. You know the sun of me blind because I think I didn't want to come on that hot auntie.
Alright, so.
Wife versus Mighty. Big dancer keep. Oh.
I went down that's supposed to keep it.
I don't know.
I've seen everywhere.
Nobody never live around here and they have one big old gigantic church I built and one right next to one, next one right next to.
Yeah, anchovy with it, babe.
Anchovy?
Yeah.
Yep, see sign there. The sign now says welcome to Anchovy, babe, so I never anchovy before. And now we going to Anchovy.
Yeah, they go up the church, they say anchovy, praise house, blah, blah, blah.
And I'm not trying to stabilize, well, I'm trying to stabilize the camera a little bit, but not too much. Because I want you to have a realistic experience.
All the patwa.
Yeah, yeah. Dropping a patwa with me. Feel my pain. Fill up my cash up. We have vehicles to fix. Momo. Much boy pa yang yang. This says 27 Lamar, 7 Lamar. 27 Lamar. That's why we put on the phone just now. We say a yang yang ride up on with tail there. Brother well mask up. He's probably just masking his face from dust. But we don't take no check, you know. Because you never know. And they say when you think it's peace and safety or some destruction, somebody go and pay attention. This is outside of tourist area, my friend. This is not the beaten path.
You have some pretty house over here.
I'll try to get him a side view there.
For all the people that think you live in shack starving.
We have to keep on reiterating this part every year. The bag of unfinished houses that you all see is not dilapidated buildings falling down, my friend. They are actually houses being built up. There. Some people take years to build their houses. Well, not some, but everybody really. Almost everybody. It's a Jamaican thing. It's customary.
Yeah.
Let me explain how we're going now. So, Granny and Grandpa dead left a little land with one house funny. And one time we get to know, we built for a little something funny. And then somebody come and say we could extend the party and put on more pan it. And then the house just keep on grow with more pan it and more pan it. Until it end up with one big old house. That's how it go.
Oh, and our house is not made of sheet rock and stuff there that they're made in the US, or it's made with hard concrete. That's why it takes so long to build. Concrete and steel.
Hard concrete and steel build them house, yeah.
Twine steel to your hand.
Yeah, you know, like up so you thump out the wall.
Yeah.
Don't thump the wall down here.
You can't see up. your hand
Your hand all broke. For sure.
Whee.
Little Timmy can't get angry here and forget you, mom, and thump the wall. He ain't thumping no holes in the wall in Jamaica. In our Jamaica house them. Like a Timmy I go to hospital.
Yeah.
Or King Lickland. There are no guardrails out here. And some of these turns, if you quint, you end up in the land of the ancestors. Easy. Some steep drop there on you. Feel the potholes. Feel the potholes. Mount Carey is what this place is called. Mount Carey. Heading through Mount Carey. See, Mount Carey Health Center. The sign just says welcome to Mount Carey. Alright, this is fast food out in Mount Carey. Right there. Boy, if the road in there is so bumpy, you could have seen it. Watch a boy and girl there. They have them out here too. And nobody bothering her.
Yes, sir.
Come back out and get. Well, me see Batman on the plane with me I come down. And he never too bothered, and me see them since me there. Both of the other sides, and they're not bothered at all, and nobody bothering them.
And that's small business with you, in Jamaica. Just don't come here and promise with nobody.
Yeah. That's the main part. I come down, come try to run no trick on nobody. Don't come down here, come try to do no funny business.
I run no idiot joke with man down here and them say.
Yeah, don't run no idiot joke with man down here and them something there.
Just fine.
That's just like everywhere else. I wouldn't tell people to go to America go run idiot joke with man. Yeah, go over to Liberty City and go run some idiot joke over there. Okay, funeral. Mount Pelier Blue Hole is where we're heading into now. That's a whole nother place.
Mount Pelier, I saw you, you know.
I saw you?
No, they don't come from you.
The fuck?
Because we don't call him Mount Pelier, we call him Mount Pelier.
Mount Pelier?
Yes.
Alright, Mount Pelier. Pelier.
Pelier.
Ooh.
We can't bother.
It's real foggy.
Up here so always foggy because you're in mountains up here.
Up in the mountains.
Up here me used to live, so I know.
Up here you used to live?
Even remember me tell us my auntie used to live up here. Mount Pelier, she used to live
South 32 miles that way. Alright. On track.
I used to have to wake up from 4 o'clock for the 8 to go.
Cha.
Auntie Cutie come for me. Auntie Cutie come for me.
I can't imagine all my little daughter walk them here road here.
Auntie Cutie come for me and say too far. We can't stay up here.
So,
I mean, you come home from school.
big up Auntie Cutie, because this look like a place a man draw a girl. Go
I said, Auntie Cutie say, go gunman stick you up and rob you and rape you.
Yeah.
I wasn't.
And Tikiti come to me and say it's too far. I may come up from school late and she will keep me.
Sure.
And then we left Andrea up here by herself.
Oh, God.
Andrea cussed me.
So
Huh?
you know, have like a boyfriend and then something like
No. They married Christian and I wasn't allowed to go anywhere and do anything. But we are like a kufi on my head like the people them we are Muslim
Her just used to hide and tricky jam
they used to hide and do anything. We're too young anyways. We're my skirt down on my ankle long sleeve blouse and
Up into the mountains we go, my friend. Babe said she used to have a long skirt down to her ankles. And she was a Christian woman.
big up Auntie Elevine. Yeah. Auntie still says. My auntie still says the same way up till
I walk around humming
so.
what are those hymns all day. The Lord saved me. The Lord saved me. Hey, boy. You used to get in a spirit and listen to them? No?
No. Me used to always think that weird.
So, nobody in the church then get in a spirit and listen?
Yes, the older people them used to get in the spirit, but we used to think it's weird. Yeah, Andrea and I used to think it's weird.
If you didn't turn there long enough, you'll then get in a spirit too.
I'm sure.
The most said you just wasn't Holy Ghost filled. You did fill with ghosts, but I did duppy. You wasn't Holy Ghost filled.
I didn't have holy question.
It was doubtful. Hallelujah. Yeah, when they shot that out suddenly, you know, man. So they used to jerk my spirit, this man. Then they are going good, and you just bust out. Hey, what's up?
Boom shaka.
Hey! I went there, hey! Blood fire! Yes, I want to go on. I tell you. Then I saw this place and I have nothing.
Yeah,
A bush.
a bush.
A real bush this. 2.2 or 22 kilo. That's a service still ahead. Go keep on going. 22. Pussy clot. When you pardon my language, John know that bus then nearly killed. Am I driving without headlights? No. People? I don't know. I think I just escaped it. If it's short thing, I just escaped it. You can drive past me if you want to in a Toyota. Nothing is out here. Montpellier. Where are you say it again, babe?
Montpellier.
Montpellier. I don't know how they get Pellier when the thing end with I-E-R. R-E-I-R, one of them there.
I-E-R.
And they still say Pellier, like a Y-A.
Montpellier.
Don't understand it. They what?
So they understand the chat bad way. Montpellier, darling, Montpellier.
Montpellier. Montpellier. Packetry loaded.
Just one whole same thing of orange.
And you rode bad road, yeah. walk all down here, so.
No, sir.
Oh.
It's kind of a bus stop.
Let me go for say. This is excitement right here. This is the middle of the town square for this town.
Him again.
Him again.
Jesus Christ.
The man there with the big tundra on the city. Him does top anyway. In a middle of the road, right in front of you, and just reverse. You have to swing wide and say a prayer. Oi. Taking you to a part of Jamaica you've never been before, and more than likely you won't ever go. Call this journey with us. Him have that big old tundra there and feel slow motion through the pathway, so you feel no. People in road them run ya bad. Hear that? All that shaky you hearing, that's the road. Road bad. These streets are not paved with gold. They're not even paved. See, Tundra struggle I go through there. That the big old broad wide truck there struggle go through. You can't imagine the car go through around you. Struggle is of life. So you see people that build up their house there. All those in foreign in this snow. Come get you a little piece of real estate in the bushes. Eat some organic food.
Everything what we need so far tastes different than the one we ever heard.
Yep. Even the sausage in a can.
Down to the sausage in the can.
That sausage in a can also tastes like plastic for sure. I can't eat it again.
It's not just.
After this, I cannot eat it again. I know for a fact that it tastes like plastic. But I always say it tastes like plastic, how it tastes so.
Because I know so we don't remember it tastes like that.
But you have enough of it to see you convince yourself, say.
It's okay.
It's okay, it's so it used to taste when you did little. And it's not, because they have the one where it used to taste the same way how we used to taste when we did little and we tasted yesterday. It says chicken and it tastes like chicken. It was very chickeny.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces,